Okay, so I started by buying a phone case and tracing it onto poster board paper. I traced it twice, making sure to include the opening for the camera. And then I traced a third piece. This is going to be the spine of the book. I then cut them all out and traced it onto craft foam. I made sure that I measured it so that they were even on all sides, making sure to leave a space between the spine of the book and the other piece. I then cut a second piece of foam to measure the exact same size. I then glued all the poster board paper to the foam, making sure that space in between the spine and the other pieces was there. I then glued all pieces together. And now you have your shape of your book. I bought some fabric from Joann's that I felt was pretty close to the fabric on the Neverending storybook. I then measured about 1.5 inches from the outline of the book. I then cut it out and remembered to cut out the opening for the camera. I then cut a diagonal line on each corner so that the fabric would fold in correctly onto the book. I then glued everything to the fabric. Found these little accent pieces at Michael's. I measured the corners so that each corner would be the same and glued them on. I then took another piece of that craft foam and glued it onto the inside of the book. I then started to work on the emblem. I'm taking Warbler and cutting little pieces to heat up with my heat gun, and then I could start molding it into shape. Once I have a desired thickness, I started to mold it into the shape that the snakes are in. I realized it was a bit too big for the book, so I made a few other choices. And when I was happy with the size of the Orin, I started to prep it for painting. I used Mod Podge and left it to dry, and then I spray painted it with gold and silver. I then attached the phone case to the book. When the phone case was closed, I wanted it to appear as if it was an actual book and there was pages. So I cut a foam poster board into the shape and glued it onto the edges. So when you close the case, it looks like a book. I then printed a picture of the Neverending storybook and I cut out the title. I Mod Podged it to the book and painted it with gold. Then glued 4 magnets to each corner so that it would close properly and stay closed. Alright, so this is the finished product. I also added a little place for a card or ID, made sure that you could take pictures while in the case, and also charge your phone while it's in the case. I also made a necklace out of one of the bigger emblems. I bought these little gift boxes from Michael's. They were about $1 each. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe so you can see all I create. Like this video and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you. Bye.